Okay.
So you tell me what I can do to help you get in this car.
Can you put this in the for right here?
Hey.
And then I'll try to get in the,
I got your gas. Come on, babe.
Rated a 102.
You all right, honey?
38, please. 749 Georgian, seeing Keisha on a 30.
You all right?
well,
Okay, what? You need a medic?
I just need for,
What's going on?
I went to the doctor,
Okay.
got my procedure done, and then when I tried to walk, my hip broke that way. So I kept trying to get people to put the 10 in there, but nobody would do it for me. So I was just trying to get this 10 in the car so I can make it right that side of town where I live at.
You can't get gas? Is that what you do?
Oh, $10 right here. I just can't.
Let me help you get back in your car. Okay, I got you underneath here. I don't want to pull you and hurt you, okay? So you tell me what I can do to help you get in this car.
Can you put this in the for right here?
Hey.
And then I'll try to get in the,
I got your gas. Come on, babe. Let's get you in the car.
I don't know which leg to get on because this is the leg that hurts.
Okay, how about this? If it's going to hurt you,
It don't hurt me when I walk, I just fall.
okay. Let's, here, come on. 1, 2, 3, up. Okay, I got you. I got you. It's like you're on a roller. Okay, pop your thing.
Huh?
Pop your thing.
My who?
No, your gas can. Oh, never mind. It auto does it.
You know, sometimes you want fresh food fast. That's why we make all kinds of fresh sandwiches
Sure,
every day. So they're ready for whenever hunger strikes. Head in, check out,
Sure.
and dig in.
Cafe. 2026 Manly, no color C, Maroon Cruise, Intercom King, 7979, sitting in front of Rebel Pastor.
Are you a member of the UDF Drive Loyalty Program yet? Why not? Register today. Save big. Get notified when gas prices are going. Get a new drive fuel every week.
Ready for a rich, colorful trip to the Scottish Highlands? Highlander Raw Coffee is back with a bold, butterscotch flavor that'll knock your guilt off. For a limited time, you have 2 big reasons to stock up on ice cream. 48-ounce premium ice creams are just 2 for $10. Because we know this time of year, we can all use a little extra savings. Need some help in your seasonal step? Super fresh coffee. Buy 2 gluten-free energy drinks. You're great this time of year. Or whenever you need.
Thank you.
Put 20 in there for you.
Thank you. I'm going straight home.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
Same to you.